So we are back. We have a wonderful spaghetti squash carbonara. Gabby is manning the cast iron skillet. Breezy is actually going to start on the process with it. So in the skillet right now we have a little bit of heavy cream. Breezy's going to add a little bit more to it, about half that. We also have some green onions. We have some prosciutto ham. Go ahead and throw that in there. We have some prosciutto ham going in there. We have some green onions. We're going to put some green peas in it. You know, this is going to be like a food group, isn't it?
Go ahead.
A little bit of green peas. The leftover balsamic and olive oil is going to go in there. And we also, check out the tomatoes over here. So again, we had the olive oil, the garlic, the basil and oregano, the goat cheese on there, and that's going to be a really good start. A really good topper for our dish right here. So go ahead and add the eggs. But once we add the eggs, we want to stir vigorously. Okay, Gabby, can you stir vigorously?
Yeah, stir in the middle good.
Dump them all in at once. Dump.
Stir fast.
Stir fast, don't spill it.
Yeah, no spilling.
Okay, good job. Fold it over. Get this side and that side. Keep going. Stir. You want Paul to help you or you good?
Help.
Okay. Okay, Breeze, you're up. You stir, okay?
All right.
So what the eggs are going to do is they're going to add some richness to it. And they're going to add some binding to it too. So that's looking pretty good. A little bit of salt and pepper here and here. And it's going to just take a few seconds. I'm going to turn this up on high. And all we want to do is get this to boil just a little bit.
Yeah, that smells good.
And if you could smell this, this is just absolutely unbelievable. So again, we're going to get up to 165 degrees, cook the eggs. We almost have a boil in it right now. So let's backtrack a little bit. So we want to cook the spaghetti squash at 20 minutes at 350 till it's soft. Poke some holes in it so it doesn't blow up in your oven. And then cut it in half, seed the seeds out, flake it like it is right now. And then we have the cream, we have prosciutto ham, green onions, and green peas. Okay, that's a good boil. Breeze, go ahead and put it right here and let's see what we got. Okay. We're going to be fighting over this for lunch, aren't we?
Oh, yeah.
Yep, good.
That's the reason I'm here.
3 of those. Beautiful. That looks great, doesn't it? Salt, pepper, a little bit of butter, the heavy cream. We're going to top it with one of these Cherokee heirloom tomatoes. Just like this. We got some great plate height going on. We're going to garnish it with a little bit of fresh basil. We're going to garnish it with a little bit of oregano flour. And we have a little bit of Vidalia onion flour too. And I think to finish, just a little bit of Asiago. Gabby, are you going to eat this? Guys, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.